Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your video using Movavi video editor. First step, add the video to video track. Then find the audio file on your computer that you wish to add to your video. So in this case I'm going to add this song. Drag and drop it to media bin. Then drag and drop it to audio track right underneath the video. And adjust the duration of your audio file to match the video. Okay, so now if I hit play, okay. Now if you double click on the audio file, you can also adjust the settings. So I'm gonna make the volume around 81%, let's say, so it's going to be a little quieter than it was. Then you can adjust the speed of the audio, which I don't suggest because that sounds like a drum and bass, but stick to 100% if you want to maintain the same audio quality. And then another cool feature is fade in. So right now if I hit play, the audio is going to start at 100% of its volume from right from the start, just like that. But if I do fade in at, let's say, 6 seconds, you will notice how the audio is going to pick up its volume through within 6 seconds, and at about second 6 it's going to be at its 100% volume. Okay, and just like that. And you can also do the same to fade out. So if you do fade out, you will notice here on the right hand side how the audio is actually reducing the volume for the fade out effect. So as I increase the time, the volume drops here exponentially. If I remove the fade out effect, you can see the volume is going back up to the max. And you can also reverse the audio if you wish. Okay, and that's about it for adding audio and adjusting some of its settings. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.